Alright, YouTube, we back. First thing first, before we even get into this video, go and hit that subscribe button. Wait. Alright, now we can go. But yeah, we finally back though. We ended up taking a little break. Not even a planned break for real. But to make a long story short, what happened was about like 2 months ago now, ended up getting into a car wreck. So I ain't had my car for a minute. And so of course, without the car, you know what I'm saying, can't make no content. But, you know what I'm saying, no injuries, nothing like that. Nobody got hurt. And now we back. So I'm gonna just go on and get y'all with a little POV drive. Just going to get something to eat right quick. Y'all be sure to let me know down below in the comments what y'all want to see too. Just let the back windows down, see if we can get some exhaust. Hopefully it don't be too windy or too much wind noise. I was not expecting this much traffic on this back road, not gonna lie. I kinda hated so much traffic because I can't even let y'all hear the exhaust for real, for real. I mean, I can go into sport mode, but even then, with the transmission, after a while, like if you go into sports mode and you're not driving as aggressive as you think you will when you shift, it's gonna still end up shifting into a higher gear. So it's gonna quiet it down still. Should get a little bit louder though. I used to drive my car in sports mode, like just going around, but then I ended up stopping doing that because, like, I catch myself going too quick. Because in sports mode, obviously it extends your gears, like it shifts later. So I'll be trying to hit a gear shift and be going faster than I think I am. See how long it held that gear out? Like that was 56. Like in regular drive, it'll probably shift like around 35, 40, somewhere around there. About to get some little chick filler. This location food always be trash. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna say always. I tried them twice. And both times they were trash, so if it's trash this time, I'm just not coming back to this one.
I'm gonna beat that pussy up, yo little dog. I'm gonna beat that pussy up, yo little dog. Dog ass, yo little dog ass. I got money on me, I got bitches mad, I got diamond dance. Bitch, you see the spread. Get on this bus, need your ghetto bag. Dog ass, yo little dog ass. I got money on me, I got bitches mad, I got diamond dance. Bitch, you see the spread. Get on this bus, need your ghetto bag. Dog ass, yo little dog ass. I heard you played your people, boy you down bad. I just got a 20 pounds of gas. That shit did the stash. That shit went too fast. Free that nigga, quit that. Pull up in her in my little bitch tryna get that dick for free, no comprende. Dog game, bitch you let my whole dick all smash. When you come and score that dope for me, I'm on all cash. MJ, I'm ballin', bad bitches callin'. Fuck the nasty style game. I don't do no tall game. Turn up on your dog game. Bitch you think you all that. Fine as hell, ain't got no cash. Oh you niggas fall down. Dog game, yo the dog game. I got money on me, I got bitches mad, I got them.
Alright, y'all, we back. I'm gonna take the highway. That back road was a little bit too congested for me, I ain't gonna hold you. I hate being behind these big tractors and stuff, but they be flinging rocks, bro. Last thing I need is my windshield to crack from one of them rocks. Let's drive in sport mode on the way back. Sport mode obviously noticeably louder. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's like popping and stuff too. You get a couple burbles in there. Oh, it sounded good. I'm let my window down. I can hear it. Ooh, listen to that idle, boy. That idle alone, too. I really didn't even mean to come this way for real. But here we are. Like, I really could have ended on a highway. Because I come this way just to start my videos, cause, you know. Alright, y'all, well, I'm gonna go ahead and close it out here. Yeah, that's just a little quick update though. That's why I've been gone for a little minute. Like I said, now we back. Be sure to let me know down below in the comments what y'all want to see. And again, be sure that y'all like, share, and subscribe, as that'll help us get a lot more stuff done a whole lot sooner. Alright, so until the next video, y'all be easy, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all. Peace.